Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. And if you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook pages. It's just simple search, King Piers LLC, and while you're there, please leave a like and a subscribe. We're out here with another update in Garden City. We're getting very close to completion on this project. As you can see, we've already got the walls painted with our white Drylock waterproofing paint. Once we get finished up with that and the rest of the interior work with our new 6x6 treated wood support posts, we're getting those finished up, the installation, getting them set on top of our new footings and tied into the floor joists. We will go ahead and get some gray tinted Drylock and just paint the floor and finish that up. So yeah, everything is looking great. We got a couple spots we need to get done over here in the corner there, but everything is looking very good. We got our new 6x6s treated wood setting on our new footings, so we are getting everything set here. So yeah, everything is moving right along, so stay tuned for more updates. You can go ahead and again see all of the updates for our project out here on YouTube and Facebook. Again, just search for King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.